space,
ruum,
water,
vesi,
earth,
maa,
tuul ja tuli. Ja
wind and
wind
fire.
and fire. So shude aa means purify.
Shuddha tähendab puhastama.
So if it's very important to keep our body clean and also the nature clean.
On oluline hoida meie keha puhas ja loodus puhas.
As much as we can.
Nii palju kui me saame.
Visualize your body as nature.
Keha loodusena.
All the vessels in our body where the blood is flowing is like all the rivers.
Kõik veresooned, kus veri voolab, on nagu jõed.
All the organs are like mountains.
Kõik organid on nagu mäed.
Some organs are hot like volcanoes.
Mõned organid on nagu vulkaanid.
Some organs are like caves, they're hollow.
Mõned on nagu koopad, nad on tühjad.
Cold.
Külmad.
And our lungs are like trees.
Meie kopsud on nagu puud.
And all the branches are stretching out our chest.
Selle harud kasvavad välja meie rinnast. võime kujutada, kuidas meie keha sulandub loodusesse.
We are no different from the surrounding,
Me ei ole, neis ei ole erinevat ümbritsevast.
no difference from the trees and grass.
Ei ole erinevust puudest ja rohust.
We are all born and we age.
Me kõik sünnime, me kõik vananeme.
We slowly have our organs slowly fade away.
Meie organid vaikselt kaovad ära.
We get sick
Muutume haigeks
and then we die.
ja siis me sureme.
Just like the trees,
Nagu puud,
they grow
nad kasvavad
from a tiny seed
väikesest seemnest